A non-flashing green light on your Lorex Wi-Fi camera indicates a problem with pairing or connecting to your Wi-Fi network. This often points to power issues, network problems, firmware glitches, or hardware faults. Start with basic troubleshooting. Power cycle the camera by unplugging it for 30 seconds and reconnecting. Next, reset the camera by holding the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds until lights flash. Ensure your camera is within 30 feet of the router and connected to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Finally, check for firmware updates via the Lorex Home app. If basic steps don't resolve the issue, verify your router settings to ensure MAC filtering or guest networks aren't blocking the camera's connection. Delete the camera from the Lorex app and re-add it, making sure Bluetooth is enabled if required for pairing. As of recent updates in 2025, Lorex has addressed many LED signaling issues through firmware updates, such as version 2.4.1 for the LNK and L series, which fixed Wi-Fi instability causing LED failures. Looking ahead, smart camera technology trends are focusing on more reliable, app-integrated LEDs with AI diagnostics. Lorex is also integrating the Matter protocol into new models for easier pairing and fewer LED issues. Expect AI-driven troubleshooting in apps to diagnose LED problems in real time, potentially eliminating manual fixes by 2026-2027.